Hello, Escambia County Public School teachers. Did you know you can add comments to assignments in the Focus Gradebook? Comments facilitate great communication between teachers, parents, and students. Join us for a Byte of Tech with your student data team as we explore these features. So let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Focus Gradebook. Once in the Gradebook, you will see a list of your students and their corresponding assignments. For feedback related to a student's performance on a specific assignment, you can add comments directly within the grade column. Locate the column for the assignment in question and then find the row corresponding to the student you wish to leave feedback. Double-clicking on the grade will open a comment box editor. Here you can type your comment pertaining specifically to that assignment. For instance, you might write, "Please see me about your missing grade to make this up." Or you can document accommodations. You can also highlight grades. This will make the grade show up in bold. You can mark it as late or even exclude the grade from the student's average. A quick way to navigate to the next student is to click on the left or right arrows in the top right corner of the editor box. To save your comment, click away from the comment box. A small icon will then appear next to the grade cell to visually indicate that a comment has been added. To access comments in the assignment view, click on the Assignment tab or the eye directly from the main Gradebook screen. Once you are in the assignment view, navigate to the Grades tab. Here you will see a list of your students and the grades they received for the selected assignment. On this page, you will find a dedicated comment field with each student's grade. Clicking on this field will allow you to enter your assignment-specific feedback. This is an ideal place to provide detailed comments on the student's work, such as "Excellent work on the introduction. Consider expanding on your analysis in the next draft." Clicking away from the comment box saves the feedback, which is linked to the student's performance and used for targeted suggestions and clear documentation of accommodations. Within the student level view, by clicking on the student's name, it will take you to a page dedicated to that individual student. In this view, you will find a comment section associated with the assignment listed under the student's profile. Clicking on this will allow you to add comments specific to that particular assignment, just as you would in the assignment view. However, the student level view offers the added benefit of seeing the student's performance across all assignments. This perspective can be valuable for providing overarching feedback on a student's progress, such as noticeable improvement in participation over the last few weeks, or for documenting the use of accommodations across multiple assignments. Clicking away from the comment box saves the comment. This overview helps teachers understand student performance and give personalized feedback. Things to remember: keep comments clear, concise, and simple. Give specific feedback instead of "good job." Try your analysis of the main character was insightful. Encourage growth by focusing on improvement areas while acknowledging strengths. Ensure clear documentation of the accommodations are provided. Proofread your comments before saving. Use comments to acknowledge good work and effort. And ensure your comments are always respectful and professional. Focus Gradebook's commenting features improve communication between students, parents, and teachers. Effective comments document accommodations, provide feedback, and encourage a positive learning experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more ideas to support the use of Focus, because that is a Byte of Tech.